Guys, here we are, another e-bike conversion done by Cyberbikes. As you can see, it's a professionally built e-bike, okay, with front light, a 36 volts 20 amp hour battery, 250 watts Bafang motor. Note that we are adding this tape here, and the bolts of the motor have been like retightened to guarantee this bike will be extremely waterproof in any condition. We have a Pyrmont Foldable lock on a case installed on the side of the bike. Right down here we have a pump holder. We try to keep the original features as much as we could. A decent rack by QBP, and as you can see, tail light installed on the bottom area, the tail area of the rack. We have a phone holder here by Lamicall, which is a great phone holder, great accessory. So this e-bike has everything that you always wanted. Throttle on the left, 90 levels of pedal assist, colorful display with a USB down here, so you can recharge your phone from the display and from the battery. This is the USB of the battery. When the battery is off the bike, you could easily recharge using the battery as a power bank. So it's a great build. You know, it's 250 watts, 36 volts, 20 amp hour battery, because this bike is more like a commuter. You know, it's not a mountain bike and you need lots of power and torque, but it does the work very well. It will be a blast for our customer. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and stay tuned for more Cyberbikes.